Okay lang ako. Ang tanong, gaano ka ka-okay ngayon? Minsan, yung okay lang ako ay isang napakalaking barikada na itinayo natin para hindi makita ng iba kung ano na ba talaga yung pinagdadaanan natin. Dahil pakiramdam natin, nakakahiya maging mahina, nakakahiya mag-fail, at nakakahiyang pumalya sa harap ng maraming tao. Kaya kahit may mga kamay na umaabot na, ayaw nating magpasagip kahit nalulunod na tayo. Pero sa likod ng okay lang ako ay isang batang humihingi ng saklolo, isang sugatan na humihingi ng pahinga, at isang lumalaban ng patas sa buhay na naghihintay ng sasagip sa kanya. At kung ikaw man ito, you will always have a lifeline to call. God will always be there, and sometimes God is saving you through the people He has sent to rescue you. And dear, it is okay to seek help. I pray that you'll find a group of people that won't be using your past against you. And I pray for a group of people whom you will heal with and grow with in knowing God more. At kung dumating man ang panahon na tatanungin ka nila kung kamusta ka, know that you can be real with the right group of people. Love, hindi ka dinisenyo na mag-isa. With love and prayers, Noel.